My name is Luke, aka the Digital Nomad Guy. This is my school bus. It is a 2003 Ford E450 Power Stroke diesel, and I don't have a name for her yet, but she's my rig. I've been in here for about 2.5 years, and I'm loving every second of it. So you guys come on in and check it out. So, as it is with all schoolie owners or vehicle dwellers, it does get a little messy from time to time. It's kind of hard to keep it clean all the time. So right now it's a little messy, but it isn't too bad. We'll start out right here with the closest location here. This is kind of my shower area slash bathroom. It's unfinished, so right now it's only used as storage space.
Even when they're finished, they're used as storage space most of the time. Yeah.
So it's just I got a toilet in there, a bunch of water storage because I'm in the desert quite a bit, so I always make sure I restock up on water. Baby wipes, trash bags, laundry detergent. I mean, just not a whole lot there. It's a work in progress, you know.
Yeah, I've told a lot of people that my next bus, if I ever do one, the bathroom is going to be right behind the driver's seat.
There you go.
Because that 33-foot run to the back sometimes is a desperate one.
Right, for sure, for sure.
It's when I can't find a rest area for 30 miles.
Yeah, yep. Yeah, so, and then over here I got a co-pilot seat, which was kind of pointless to install because it never gets used, because I'm the only one in the bus. But I guess if I ever had somebody else in here with me, they could chill there.
Yeah, I'm looking for something like that for my bus. Think of my grandson. You know, be nice to have a seat.
Yep, yep. And definitely it's nice to have that so close because they can actually look out the window and see as you're driving, you know. And then this here is my seating arrangement area where I just have these ottomans, which are pretty cool because, you know, I can use them as storage space as well. So I can store all my stuff in there and just as, you know, on the other side as well. And then this table actually comes out and I can take the poles down and it all fits right down inside there, and then I can throw the cushion right back on there to get the full-size couch. So I don't ever really break it down a whole lot. I don't ever take the table out, but you know, it's there if I need to do that.
Right.
Yeah. And then up top, this is just a little shelving unit I put up not too long ago. To be honest, my bus isn't finished all the way yet. I just, from time to time, I'll stop and like throw something up here, throw something up there.
No, people that watch these, they all hear me say that schoolies are never done, they're done-ish.
Right, done-ish, yep. Definitely a good way to put it. Yep. And then, yeah, just for like decor up here, I put up the rope, and then I laminate my postcards from different locations I go to. And I put them up there, and then, yeah, just the shelving unit here, I use the pipes to hold it up, which I thought was an interesting idea. Nice cheap way to do it, you know, cheap wood, cheap pipes, bam, put it up, good to go. Yeah. And then over here we have my stove oven combo, which is essentially just an RV unit, came out of an RV, which works pretty well. The sink here, I actually have a gray water tank underneath there. I think it's maybe a 5-gallon gray water tank. And then underneath my bed, way in the back, I have a 40-gallon freshwater tank, of which we can't see, and it's really hard to access, so I'm not going to show you right now.
Sorry.
So and then there's a water pump that's ran from the electric, from the panels up top. So when I turn that on, it just runs water from back there, and then right out my my sink here. And yeah, I got running water, so that's...
How much solar do you have?
So I have 800 watts up there, 8 panels, which is... I kind of wish I would have gotten panels that were higher wattage, like maybe 2 400-watt panels, because it takes up the whole roof.
Right.
So I don't have the option of putting like a rooftop deck up there or anything like that, because there's just panels. That's all there is up there.
Yeah, I went with 24 volt, and I got a 300 and a 180.
Okay.
Because I had 2 180s, one of them blew off.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, you don't want to join that club.
No.
No.
Definitely not. No. So yeah, up here, just food storage. A bunch of snacks up there. This is my fridge-freezer combination, which was a new unit that I replaced. I bought this at Home Depot, I think for like 300 bucks, and that was about 2 years ago. And this little beast is awesome. It runs like a champ, although it does suck a lot of power. Sucks a lot of solar power.
Right.
But that's kind of like the main thing that sucks all the power. Everything else is pretty good to go, but this here just sucks all my solar. Music, gotta have music, so I got my big JBL speaker up here to get some tunes, you know, going from time to time. And up here, just more storage space. I got storage up on the top and storage on the bottom. The bottom is mainly just tools, clothes, And up here I got instruments. I got a spare tire back there, and yeah, just a bunch of stuff. Yeah.
Sure.
And then up over here at the top, this is my solar charge controller. So that's the panels come down, connect to this, and then it goes down. I have 300 amp hour deep cycle batteries underneath there. So that powers everything, as well as an inverter. I have an inverter down there, and then it all comes up to the power strip here, which I plug into to charge my my laptops, phones, drone batteries, camera batteries, all that good stuff. And then the bed here, which is a little larger than what I need it, but it's comfy and I like it. So and then I got a little curtain here that just goes across if I want to cut off the section, from the bus. Got that there.
Or like me, you want to keep the sun out, because I really don't want to get up right yet. Yeah.
That too. Yep. Because with this hatch open, that sun just beats right down if it's the right angle. Yep.
Yeah, no matter how careful I am parking the bus, one of the windows is going to have the sun coming up right into my bed.
Right.
Doesn't matter how I park it.
Yep. So that's kind of the basics of my bus, I suppose. Do you have any questions right now as far as anything else?
Other than, do you have social media presence? Somebody wanted to get a hold of you? Oh
yeah, so I'm pretty prominent on the social media, as is quite a few schoolie people out there. It seems like everybody's on social media these days. So if you wanted to find me, just look up the Digital Nomad Guy on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is. I'm pretty sure you'll find me.
Okay.
And I didn't point out that the propane, I have a large propane tank underneath my bus as well, and that is how I power the stove in the oven. Right. It's a big old beast, and have
you thought about getting a propane fridge?
Actually, I did have a propane fridge.
That's what you replaced?
It was a combo, but it didn't work. It stopped working. So, but it was old. It was an old.
What stopped me was when I found out that propane fridges really want to be level. I'm never parked anywhere that's level enough.
Right.
And I don't really want to go through the hassle of trying to level up the bus every time I stop. So.
Right. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
All right. Yeah. Well, thank you for the tour.
You're welcome. All right.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.